Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Many people see success as this magical thing. They think you have to be born lucky or have special talents. But that's not true. Success is open to everyone. It's all about the choices we make and the habits we build. This essay will show you how you too can unlock success. This isn't about becoming famous or rich, it's about reaching your full potential. Whether that's in your career, relationships, or personal life, the principles are the same. Are you ready to start your journey? The first step is to define what success means to you. What are your passions? What do you want to achieve? Once you have a clear vision, you can start setting goals. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and helps you track progress. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to fail. Everyone faces setbacks. It's how you learn and grow. See failures as opportunities to improve. Keep going, even when things get tough. Success is not a solo mission. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Learn from their experiences. Never stop learning. The world is constantly changing. Read books, take courses, and stay curious. Knowledge is power, and it can help you adapt and thrive. Take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. A healthy body and mind are essential for peak performance. Success is not about the destination, it's about the journey and the person you become along the way. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. Define what it means to you, set clear goals, and work hard to achieve them. With determination, perseverance, and a positive attitude, you can unlock your full potential and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Now go out there and make it happen.